Hey, welcome to my Recurring Empire review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful system that lets you build a profitable membership site in just 7 days without tech skills, paid ads, or expensive software. And here's the exciting part. You don't need to create tons of content, hire writers, or spend months setting it up. Just follow this proven method, post a couple of articles, and start generating recurring income month after month. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS so you know exactly what's inside and whether they're worth it. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing, and I'm here to help you find the best strategies and tools for online success. If that sounds good, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some amazing bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you maximize your results with Recurring Empire. Check the description for details before they're gone. So, what is Recurring Empire? Recurring Empire is a step-by-step case study and training that shows you how to launch a free membership site and start making recurring income fast. It's designed for anyone who wants to build passive income through AI-powered content and a simple membership system, even if you have zero experience. No coding or website building, no writing tons of content, no need for paid traffic. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Recurring Empire gives you the blueprint, but your success depends on taking action. If you're willing to put in minimal effort, this method can be a total game changer. Standout features that caught my eye: simple setup. Start a membership site in minutes with free tools. Minimal content needed. Just 2 AI-generated articles per week. Proven case study. The creator made $959 in 7 days using this exact method. Recurring income model. Build a steady, passive income stream. How it works? Super simple. 1. Set up a 100% free membership site. Step-by-step guide included. 2. Add AI-generated articles to attract members. 3. Monetize with subscriptions, upsells, or premium content for watch as your recurring income grows month after month. You don't need technical skills. Just follow the training and you're good to go. Upgrades, OTOs. What's available? Once you grab the main product, you'll see some upgrade options. Here's a quick breakdown. OTO 1. Advanced Video Training 27. Get even more ways to profit from your membership. OTO 2-600 AI Prompts $27. Create a nature-focused membership with pre-written content ideas. OTO 3-1000 AI Prompts $37. Build a marketing-focused membership with ready-to-use prompts. OTO 4 1892 AI Prompts $47. Create a full online business membership with almost 2,000 content ideas. Each OTO adds massive value, especially if you want to scale your membership business quickly without struggling to create content. What I love about Recurring Empire. Beginner friendly, perfect for those starting from scratch. AI-powered content strategy saves you hours of writing. Recurring income model. Earn month after month. What could be better? Not for lazy people. You still need to follow the training and take action. More traffic strategies would be great. The method works, but you may need extra traffic sources to scale faster. Final verdict. Should you get Recurring Empire? If you're looking for an easy AI-powered way to start a recurring membership business, Recurring Empire is a solid investment. Grab it using my link below, and don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for checking out my Recurring Empire review. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.